Hello to my 15 subscribers that are still watching my videos. Today I'm gonna show you another crystal bug charm. So after the last one, there was a citrine. We're doing an amethyst today, which I actually went and bought from a crystal store. And let me just tell you, since I told you as well last time that I don't really know much about crystals, I'm just gonna read you some stuff that I found out that an amethyst will like means and where it comes from. So obviously the symbolism and meaning is always different, depends where you read. So it's either royalty and opulence, or it's it because it comes from the Greek word, it translates to intoxicated, and the stone was thought to protect wearers from drunkenness. It is believed to bring peace, good health, and contentedness. I don't even know what that word is. Anyways, so yeah, I guess if the internet says so. Also, the birth month is February, so happy birthday for everyone in February, and this is your stone apparently. So we're gonna learn together as we go through this. And so as you've seen, I have cut that teddy fabric into a cloud shape, and I'm just gonna hand stitch it. Also, I'm now kind of deciding if it's better to make videos with or without a voiceover. So do let me know, please, if you prefer just to have a tune as a background, or if it's a better idea to have like a voiceover. Also, I've tried to film from this angle, which this is actually how I work. Like, I keep the thing that I work right under my chin, and each time when I record, like here, I need to move my hands in the middle of the table, which is very uncomfortable. So sometimes I won't record as much just because it's uncomfortable. So let me know if that angle it's good as well. Maybe it's better than this one. Maybe I can do like 80% of filming from up front, and then like 20-30% like from this angle here. Just trying to figure out how is more comfortable for me to film all of this, so I can do more, and obviously how it's more comfortable for you guys to watch as well. So just the usual what you see that's happening here. I'm using some thread to sort of create the shape of the eyes and mouth for the cloud. I've actually never done sort of like soft toys such as this. I don't really get too much, to say, satisfaction of creation when doing them. I think they're too simple, but sometimes it's good to just have like a small project that you go through quite quickly, and you can post something that maybe people that don't have as much supplies at home or don't have as much time can also like look at the video and make one for themselves. So I think these videos and this little stuff have their place, but it's definitely not something that feeds the need to create something amazing for me anyway. So here it was quite cool actually, because I got these beads that are so different from what I usually use. But it was nice changing the color palette as well. So here is after stitching everything. I think this one was fairly simple, but it didn't feel like it needed much more. For some reason I still couldn't keep it 100% positive, so I had to add some tears on the cloud. Also works as if it's like raining, cloud water drops kind of made sense to me. I don't know, I go a lot by feeling when I'm creating. If you've seen like my previous videos, I always said and mentioned it that I don't really have a plan when I start, I kind of just keep adding and adding and adding, and I stop whenever there is no space, or whenever it feels like it's kind of done. So yeah, actually I was just thinking them working with beads is probably my most favorite part of creating anything, really, when I need to stitch the beads onto an outfit or something. So it's like one of my favorite parts of doing anything, really. I'm sure if I would do too much of this, I'd probably get bored, but it's cool when I need to do this for a doll or something. Also blue, I've never used baby blue in anything, really. I guess this little project they're also cool that I can get out of my comfort zone and, you know, try different colors and different shapes that I don't usually do. So we're almost done. I just decided to put some like white beads all over, just to make, maybe if someone will wear this outside, to make it shine a little bit. And these are two links that I'm just attaching at the top, so I can later attach it to like a string or a chain or any kind of thing that I can use to put it on my bag or somewhere or someone, not me. This is not really my style why I wear on the bag, but if someone would, here is how it looks, and let me know what you think in the comments below. And thank you for watching one of my videos again. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something, and let me know as well your birth month in the comments. Bye.